What is up, guys? Welcome back to episode. Wait, no, technically because I made two parts of the one where we with just me and Dragon Boy. Very sorry, Dragon Sis, but we couldn't include you because you weren't there. So we had wait, what was it?
Oh yeah.
This is episode 5.
Yep, I definitely know where we are.
Yeah, this is episode 5 of CreeperBoss Explorers.
And we've got Dragon Sis, CreeperBoss, and
You and CreeperBoss. Don't forget to subscribe to me. Also subscribe to Dragon Sis and Dragon Boy. Boss. Oh, we got seats. Oh, not sit. We'll sit over here. Dragon Sis is good. Dragon Boy gets annoyed when you ask him something more than once. A bit like me, so don't ask me more than once. What the hell was that? You just kind of ran towards me. A little bit. What is that on my flipping? Oh, that's good.
Bet you won't touch that.
What?
Bet you won't touch that.
What is it?
Bet you won't.
What?
Bet you won't.
But you won't touch what?
it stings you.
I kicked that. Stand back.
Oh my god, now Mother Nature's coming after you. Ah, Mother Nature! No, seriously, don't do that to Mother Nature. Oh, nice, we're exploring an abandoned area each other. Wait.
Home sweet home.
Is this safe?
George made that.
I made that seat.
You made what?
I made that seat over there. It was very sad and depressed. That one like that. Yeah. Very depressed looking one.
What was that? Horse is coming, hide.
Oh, that's the horses. Oh yeah, people are doing horse riding. Oh yeah, that's then. George, what are you doing? Why?
Gonna get out. Oh yeah. Also, this is just gonna be a YouTube short, by the way. I
No,
think.
not a YouTube short.
Yeah, because it's really short.
It's over 3 minutes, so it can't be a YouTube short.
Oh.
Also, it's just the people on the horses. George, it's the people on the horses.
Yeah, I know, but there's nothing else.
Yes, there is. You can just explore the forest. Hold on, there's a path that we didn't go down. Remember? You just do this.
Oh, yeah, mate, you told me about the one we've gone down now.
Oh, this one. No, I'm talking about. So we're coming down here now. Then we're going down all the way back down the way we came. And remember, there was a path on the right-hand side, so we didn't go down. Oh, by the way, there's horse riding and stuff going on now.
I like that horse doesn't poo. Hello.
What? Dragon Sis? What are you doing? It's a dog. Cute dog alert. Oh my god, is it?
It's like suction.
I think it's a bit. Oh, never mind that.
I kicked it.
It's Granddad!
Where?
I kicked it.
Dragon Boy, where? Oh, over there. Okay. I think it's Dragon Sis then. Dragon Sis. Okay, flip. Okay, Martha, come on. Okay. Yo, Dragon Boy? Dragon Boy?
You recording?
Yes, I'm recording because I haven't finished the video yet, remember? Like, we've explored the abandoned thing. Also, in the thing that I didn't upload, I just tried recording like a video before this one, and I was going to upload it, but it didn't really work very well, so I'm just not going to do that.
What was it?
Like the one where I kind of ran off the lift,
What?
Remember?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, with the tunnel. But the tunnel wasn't like very. It was just kind of a tunnel. This had TNT on it. Also, I did something really cringy. I went, CreeperBoss TNT. I just made a bunch of explosion sounds for some reason. Yeah, I'm never doing that. Oh, no, I just did it on this video now. Damn it. Ah. No. What? I said it. I also said, let's go that way.
This time.
Because there's ferns there. Jurassic Park. I'm actually gonna put like Jurassic Park music behind this. Hit the Jurassic Park music in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. George, what are we doing? George, get your finger out your mouth. Flipping out! Guys, do you want to play hide and seek? But one of us has to be with Martha. But do you want to play hide and seek? But like one of us goes off and hides, which is me. Then you and Martha have to find me.
No.
But it has to be around here.
Fine.
Okay.
Yeah, we were strict honest with Dad.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we have to stay on the same thing. Guys, Dragon Sis, where are you going? Okay, let's just go this way.
Oi! Stay, come
I'm
back!
gonna make.
I don't want to do one and see.
Yeah, we're not. I'm gonna zoom the camera in more now because it makes more sense. Because it was like zoomed out. Ow! Finger! Someone's been making a den.
Oh, I know where we are.
It all lines up! It's a cone!
The horse goes.
Cone in my palm, I shoved it up my bum.
You know,
The horse has come down.
you know Friday, we went down here. We went down here.
I wasn't here on Friday, remember?
Hey, wait. You wanna hear a song I came up with?
No.
It's Friday. Oh wait, you recording?
Yes.
Delete that right now.
No. No, I'm keeping that.
No.
I'm keeping that in. Fine. On Siddy's nose. Ready?
Wait, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm just gonna edit this out. Okay, guys, we're gonna be doing some climbing now with your professional climber, me. Definitely a professional. We're gonna be doing some climbing with your professional climber, me, who has done climbing. No, well, technically it's me and George because we're not professionals, but George does it on rocks at Barry Island, and I do it on like a bunch of stuff.
I do it on massive Jenga blocks the size of my body. I do it on noses.
Oh yeah, where is that giant Jenga thing?
different country.
Oh, I might go there then. Okay, so I'll record. Okay, well I'm gonna record George climbing for now. Then you can record me
My
climbing.
sword doesn't work.
That's not a sword. We're not in Minecraft. You can't mine a tree with a stick.
That is not stable.
Oh
That
yes.
is not stable either.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Just throw stuff at me.
Yes, I will.
Because I don't matter. I will wobble that tree. Flipping hell! You just threw it at my face. Could
I'm
you?
gonna come up there and throw stuff at you.
I need to take a dump. I'm joking. No, but I keep on thinking I hear your mum, but it's not your mum, it's those people in the horse riding thing. But even if it was your mum, they're not calling for you. Because no one cares about you, especially me, I'm joking.
Oh, baby Jesus.
You know what, I'm just gonna do.
He cried over Martha. Hey, have you ever heard that saying? Every time you tell a lie, it makes the baby Jesus cry.
Every time you tell a lie.
Yeah. I remember seeing
Let's see George's ear.
I remember seeing this video where the person enters heaven and he says to God, what's it called? I know this is all amazing, but where's the water fountain? God points over to this area, and then she sees a baby's head on there. That's it on the top of it. He said, "Why is there a baby on that water fountain?" He said, "Hey, do you remember that rule? Every time you tell a lie, it makes the baby Jesus cry."
Yeah?
Well, yeah. I think we get it. Baby Jesus become the water supply for hell, that's for heaven. Also, that's just a joke. Obviously, it's not true.
Yeah,
Just
obviously.
saying.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do climbing.
A sword.
But guys, you wanna play like Minecraft?
I've got a sword and I'm gonna
Survival.
play with it.
Wait, pause the video.
Okay, guys. Well, I have gotten stung on my leg, straight like that. Dragon Sis has gotten like stung on the tail. Dragon Boy has a flipping headache, like a really bad headache. Ow, I just tripped him. And so we're gonna end the video here. Stay tuned for tomorrow, which is gonna be the final episode of this. It's gonna be a pretty long one. It might actually have 2 parts because, you know. Huh? 3. Oh yeah. Never mind. This is gonna have 3 parts. Ow. Well, it might have 2 parts, but anyway, we're gonna head back to the camping caravan. So see you there.